Hi guys, today I'm going to make a lavender sachet out of a tea bag. And I got this lavender on Amazon. They came in little sachets like this. And that's what it looks like. But I've also used in the past the lavender that looks like the little gold nuggets. So it's up to you what you want to try it with. I'm going to do it with this one today. They both smell about the same. There's not really any difference between the nuggets and this kind, but if you prefer one or the other. But we'll see how this one works today. So all I did was I got the tea bag and I just cut these two pieces. Well, I cut it in half because then we're going to glue it back together like that after we fill it. Okay, so that's all I did. So we could decorate it first or fill it first. You know what? Let's decorate it first. So I have this cute little flower. I think I'm going to put that there. So let me see if my glue is ready. Yeah, my glue's ready. And I'm just going to put that right there in the middle. Like that. And I have some trim. I have some little itty bitty trim here that I'd like to put at the top. And just put this at the top. Alright, and I'll cut the edges off. Oh, I'm sorry, I keep moving this phone. And I might want to put some, let me see if you can see better on this. Might want to put some at the bottom as well, just dress it up. Yeah, I think I'll do that too. Have it hang down a little bit. Well, actually, I gotta remember that that's going to be folded, so make enough room for that. Alright, just hang a little bit down here. Like that. And then we'll cut that off. Okay, now let's fill it. I don't even use tea anymore. You could use them and then do this as your scraps, but I don't drink tea, so I used to. This is making a mess. But I just take them and dump the tea out and just use it like that. So we'll close this one up. And I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna glue a little bit on this part before we fold it. Just to keep that closed so it doesn't come out before we do anything. See, there's not too much in there. Just enough. And then we'll get this part. Oh, what happened here? Oh, I guess I can't fill that part. I don't know what happened, but it ripped. So okay, whatever. We don't have to fill that part then. I don't remember that happening before to me. So now we're just going to take this and fold it over. And we're going to take that and fold that over like that. And we'll put some glue here. Well, now you know you don't have to fill both sides. Unless I didn't fill both sides last time and I thought I did. That is very well possible. I haven't done this in at least 3 years, I think. I sold them at a craft fair, just like little stocking stuffers. People seem to like them. Smells nice. That's what that looks like, a cutie. And then I'm going to take this tea tag off, and I'm going to replace it with a little heart. Now, I don't want this that long, so I'm going to just cut this a little bit. And then I have some scrap here, some glittery scrap. Since the flower's blue, I'm going to use this and just cut 2 little hearts out. Alright, and then I will glue this to the string. And there you have a cute little, oh, hold on, let me get rid of this. A cute little tea bag with some lace and a flower with a little heart attached to the string. And you can put this in like a little bag, and you can gift it to somebody, or for craft fairs or anything like that. If anyone's interested in what I purchased this time, these sachets, this is what it looks like, and it was on Amazon. You just put in I think I just typed in lavender sachets, and this popped up, or just lavender, and you'll see it. I don't remember what the link was, but you'll be able to find it no problem. So I hope you liked this video and the little tea bag. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.